Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divan Osoko. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to whiten the teeth and the eye. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And this step I'm actually going to show you guys is the quick and easiest step which you can use to whiten the teeth and the eye. So let's just get to it. So on this video, what I'm going to use is actually the Vibrance to brighten the teeth and the eye. So I'll click on the Vibrance. So after clicking on the Vibrance, I'll just get to the saturation, then I'll change it to minus 75. So after doing that, 76, don't worry about that. So after doing that, I'll invert this layer mask. So once I'm done inverting the layer mask, I'm going to use my brush to actually brush the part which I want to be whiter. So what I'm going to do is I'll reduce the brush to the desired size, then I'll zoom in the image just to get an accurate brushing. Sorry guys. So I'm just going to right click. I'll make sure the hardness is at 50. So and it's on a soft round brush. So I'll just start painting the part. So I'll change the foreground color to white, which I'm using to unveil what is on the black layer mask. So I'll just start brushing this off. You can now see the effect as applied. So I'll just come to this part, repeat the same process with the eye, and I'll take this off too. So I'll come to the teeth. Then while doing this on your teeth, you need to be careful so it won't affect the lips or the tongue. So I'll repeat the same process here. So just take this and make sure it's accurate. So after this, you can now see the before and after of it. So if I zoom out, you can now see the before and after. And if you think the eye and the teeth is kind of dark a bit, you can just get to your brightness and contrast. You add like 3 or 5 to it. I just add it. You can now see the eye is now bright. So this is the before and after. Let me bring it much closer. Much closer. So you can now see the before and after of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos, and this process will help you whiten the teeth and eye of your image you're working on. So hope to see you in the next video. You can just go through my channel, you'll see tons of videos, tutorial videos, which will help upgrade your photography lifestyle. So thank you guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.